Bonjour, I am Chef Julien and today we're going to cook a paella. Oh la la! Paella is a fantastic dish with a combination of chicken, seafood, chorizo sausage and rice which is cooked with a saffron flavor all together. The importance is to keep the chicken cooked but not to overcook your seafood or your rice. So stay with us and we're going to show you that. To ease your process, we have prepared a package of 3-in-1. So inside what you have a poach of a chicken mixture, you will have a poach of seafood, and you have your paella rice. So for the chicken, what we have done, here you have the chicken, the chorizo and the saffron broth. And we cook it in advance for you, sous vide at low temperature, and we maintain the tenderness of the chicken, but it's already almost cooked, so that will shorten our time. For the seafood, you have a mixture of prawn with the head, mussel, squid, all combined together. And then our rice, we are using a very specific paella rice from Spain, imported especially for it. So now let's start cooking and you will see how easy to do. So the base for you is with your chicken mixture is to defrost it the day before, eventually, just by keeping it in a chiller. Or what you can do also is to just put it into a warm water. So I'm going to put it for me here, which I set at 65, and that will be for about 10 minutes. So for the seafood, I'm going to make up my pan quite of a strong heat. And here we have all our seafood. Drizzle some olive oil into my pot. So our prawn starts to have a nice little red color. We use the whole prawn for all the flavor of the coral inside of the head to give a lot of nice flavor. So here we can really start to smell all that seafood. We can feel the Mediterranean Sea almost below it. Then I will add on inside our rice. We stir a little bit, just to make sure we combine properly the rice. The rice will absorb all the flavor of that seafood, that juice that we had. Then now I will just add my poach of chicken. And pour the juice into your pan. Here we go. And the chicken. So you can see in that poach we have the whole of the chicken leg cut into 2 pieces and our chorizo and the nice saffron flavor to it. So here just important to remove a bit the rice on top. The mussel, I will turn them the other way to make sure that the mussel still keep very juicy to it. And now we just have to bake it in our oven. So I will be using 200 degrees with a grill on top, but I don't put the chicken too high in my oven, and that will cook for about 20 minutes. So now during the cooking of our paella, we can prepare a little bit more ingredient just to give a bit more flavor to our paella. So for that, I'm using actually some bell pepper. Beautiful bell pepper. Look how colorful it is. This is a vegetable full of color and flavor also, which is very important in a lot of the cooking. So we're going to use those two. Just slice them and we will saute them and add them to our paella. So let's do that. So here when our oil is hot, we'll saute our bell pepper. so much good flavor on a bell pepper. It's always a vegetable who amazes me by its color, very vibrant. In the same time, its flavor is like a little bit spice, but sweet in the same time. And it's one of the vegetables that I really love to use in my cooking. Beautiful, so the rice is just cooked, we can see. And we can smell really that saffron flavor, in the same time the chicken and all the seafood. This is really a dish, we have so much combination, it is really fascinating. So let's take our paella with us. So now what you need is just to let it set. When you take it out of the oven, the rice is still really too hot or anything. Let it set for 10 minutes, and so during that time, I will start to add on a bit of ingredient. So what I like to have is a little bit of olive oil. We place our bell pepper, then we have prepared in advance. And I will finish with a bit of chopped parsley, a bit of a chili flake, just to spice it up a little bit. We'll like it spicy, isn't it? Here we go. Voila, paella. Beautiful and fantastic, ready at home in just 15 minutes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have many more videos to come with cooking class, sous vide demonstration, and many more.